Alright.
Oh, that was disappointing.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Delaney.
I'm Chip.
And today we're going to be doing our Morphe Me unbagging because it's not really a box for Liveglam. This is our third one. I just want to keep doing them because
I'm addicted to brushes.
Yeah,
this
I want to
feeds my addiction.
Yeah, I want to tell you guys the ones that we're going to be putting in giveaways,
Yes.
you know, like otherwise I just put them in a stack at the end of the day.
Yeah.
Take a photo, post it online, you know, all that jazz. But this month, I believe we've got 4 brushes, so yay! This one is themed Enchanted Dreams, and if you guys have not seen enough unicorns, in this video right now. End it now.
This is so cute. This is right up your alley.
I know. I had fun doing, like, the photo that I'll release on our Instagram page.
And can we have a moment and say that someone won the social post? If you don't know who, I'm helping you.
Oh my god. Yeah, Liveglam reached out to me and they said that they really liked the photo that I had done for the April post, which I forgot that they do like a monthly contest for those, but they essentially just give you 600 points towards, you know, redeeming that in your account. So that was cool. I have like 3,000 points that I just am holding on to because I don't want hair dye. I don't want live crime hair dye. And I think that they really need to revamp their rewards that they have right now. But essentially, it's, you know, a monthly subscription for Morphe brushes. It's $19.99 if you want to do it on a monthly plan, or you can do 6 months, 12 months. I like to do 12. Chip likes to do monthly.
Yeah.
It just works out better for us that way.
Yep.
I've had it for 5 years, 4 years, a long time.
I think I'm going on a year.
Just a year?
I think I'm going on a year. Yeah.
Maybe.
Yeah.
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 It's been a long time, but I haven't stopped it yet.
And I don't know if I ever will.
But let's get into these brushes here. What'd you get, Chip?
Alright, so let's go with the Big Daddy, which I'm not sure if I'll keep, but we'll see. Okay, so this is the E12 Pointed Foundation Buffer Brush.
I don't know if I'd use it for buffing, to be honest.
Yeah.
I know a lot of people now are getting into that trend of like padding powder with a brush under the face, and that's probably what I would use that for.
I honestly really like a wet blend, like a sponge, to put my powder under my eye. I got that. I learned that trick from Jeffree Star, and honestly, since doing that, I really like the finish of my under eyes, and I feel like it just sets it much better. So I'm gonna say I'm gonna put this in a giveaway. I'm not going to use it, touch it, but anyways, it is a face brush. So yeah, E12.
Very sturdy.
Yes.
So just to kind of touch on it being an E12, the entire brush set this month is all the Elite line, which I love.
I love the Elites, yeah.
Yeah. Well, the tops, not only that.
Oh yes, they're brown. So she's alluding to the tops are brown. So especially for myself, using, of course, darker makeup in general,
I know you like to go hard on the bronzers, Chip.
It doesn't show as much as like a white brush.
Yeah, so like this, for example, this is what I use to apply my contour. It has white brush tips, and this was super clean before we started filming our last video with e.l.f. So y'all should go watch that. I'll put a link down in the description. But this is just their regular M line, so it has a white top. I like the Elites because they have the brown. I just think it looks a lot better versus like the white tops, even though I love a good white looking brush. But I normally like those in like decorative brushes that I'm never going to use.
Oh, okay.
So like, you know, a special handle or something. But anyways, back to... So the next one I'm going to pick up is the Morphe E55, and this is the Pro Flat Contour. It's very similar to like the Sigma brushes that everyone loves. It's a pinch tip, so you have that nice clean line to apply like contour for a chiseled look. And it is a firm brush, so you can definitely like press that onto everything. Is that the right brush? The flat one.
It's okay, I was gonna keep it anyways.
Oh my god. I'm gonna toss the first one and this one into a giveaway because I have so many chiseled brushes like this that I just don't use. And this one is actually relatively small for how big my face is. So
I actually like it. Like, yeah, I do. I don't contour. Just, I just don't.
Yeah.
There's no need for me to. But I do like adding like loose setting powder just naturally right here. So I feel like this would sit really nice and just give me that nice line, and then I could like drag it down. So yeah, and actually I think I would also use this for like concealer. Maybe. I don't know. I'm gonna try it. I like it. Next one that I was playing with because I thought I was on the right brush. This is the E45. I heard 45. Anyways, like I was demoing on the wrong brush. So the E45 is a mini detail contour brush. So this is soft, dense brush, buffing, concealer, cream contour. Again, I don't contour. Concealer, this maybe, but I feel like it's just big. It's just too big to really get under and like in that little eye crease area. But I would use this to buff out concealer for like my eyebrows. Even maybe like, I do put concealer on my eyelids. So I would use this to buff out anything on my eyelid that's big. And I would use this to put my like transition color on. Cause
like
it's like
your jelly highlight maybe?
Ooh, or a jelly highlight. But yeah, it's super soft. I'm loving it. And
it's like the big brother
stash.
of the Morphe E22, which I use for creases. Look at them.
Yeah.
They're basically the same.
I like it. I love it. It's soft.
Giveaway for me.
Everything that I'm about. Collection.
So the last brush, this tiny little baby. This is the E40 eyelash fan. And when I first read this, I was like, is this to brush out your eyelashes? But obviously they're just talking about the way the brush is made. It'll highlight your brow bone and cheekbone. So you could use it for your lashes, but like,
I got big cheeks. This ain't gonna be enough. I'm just
brings
saying.
out a big fan brush like, this is what I'm gonna use.
This really like helps me. This is gonna take me like 30 minutes to get my cheek.
I would think maybe if you're applying like a glitter, maybe.
Yeah.
I could see a glitter. I don't know about brow bone because it's so thin.
Giveaway.
I don't know. I don't give away any of my fan brushes. I like keep them all in a jar and I just...
Yeah.
Like that donut mug that you gave me. That's holding all my fan brushes right now. But that ties up the brushes for this month. Go onto Liveglam's site. I'll insert a little video here of like going onto the website. But since they recently revamped it like a few months back, like it just is so seamless, so easy. They do free shipping for the US and I think it's $4 internationally. But honestly, you can stop at any time.
Yeah.
If you don't want to brush that month, you can switch them out before it comes to you. Like, they just really cater to what you want. To have that option is great. And like I said, you can cancel or skip a month at any time. We do have a referral code down at the bottom if you want to go ahead and click that link, but no pressure. It does give you some extra points or a free brush with your first month. So they change that promotion up all the time. But thank you guys so much for watching this unboxing of our May Liveglam #MorpheMe. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Bye! Bye. Yeah, the hashtag.
Yeah. I just
hashtag.
wasn't like, wait, what is she doing?